Hey, I'm Olin. Welcome to Wire Ninjas. This channel is about real-world Wi-Fi, Ethernet, structured cabling, network racks, AV, and smart home infrastructure, done the clean and professional way. No shortcuts, no guesswork, and fully documented. I spent years designing and installing systems for homes and businesses where reliability actually matters. What I've observed in this industry over and over is that most problems don't come from bad equipment. They come from bad planning and poor installation. Here, we document our work. We show our process. We explain why we do things a certain way, not just how. You'll see step-by-step installs, clean terminations, proper labeling, cable management, Wi-Fi placement, troubleshooting, and real before and after transformations. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, do-it-yourselfer, or working technician, if you care about building systems that last, you're in the right place. We are the Wire Ninjas. We build circuits and systems of integrity.